If you are seeing the frustrating verify your age message on X or Twitter, follow these steps. This usually happens when your birth date is missing or your age can't be verified. So first, launch your X app. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Click on the option profile. Once you are directed to your profile page, click on the option edit profile again. Then click on your birth date and update it. Make sure the date reflects that you are at least 13 years old or older depending on your reason. Next up, head back, go to Settings and Privacy, click on the option Your Account, click on Account Information. If X or Twitter requires age verification, you will see a prompt here. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload a valid government-issued ID and a selfie to verify identity. Make sure your email is verified too. If not, verify it right away. And that's it. These are some fixes for X or Twitter age verification error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.